Good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning, and I'm home today. Took a vacation day today. I had some things to do in the morning, and Ashleigh has a performance at the Stadium Theater today. So I took the day out so I could spend the day with my family. Other than that, not sure what we're going to do this afternoon. Performance is at like noontime, so they'll be done by like 1, I believe. So once that's done, maybe go out with the family. Maybe have lunch, and we'll see what else to do. Tonight, the girls have lock-in at the library. What they do is they go to the library, they stay there until about 11 o'clock at night. They do games and fun things, that the girls love to do. And what that allows is Lee and I to have a date night. So we're probably going to have a date night tonight. Probably going to do like we do all the time, have plans to do this, to do that, to do this. And then we go out to supper, and by the time we're done with supper, we're so exhausted we just end up going back home and go to crash on the couch until it's time to pick up the girls. So other thing with the weather today is we have to be on the lookout. Could have some severe weather later on tonight. They're saying after 7 o'clock. Northern New England's supposed to be really bad during the day. Eastern New York, northern New England. And then southern New England, southeastern New England, where I am, we're supposed to get severe thunderstorms, like I said, after 7 o'clock. All right, so I'm going to end this pot. I'm going to start my day. I got to get some breakfast, get a cup of coffee. I just took Ashleigh. She's still trying out for the softball team. They're having captain's practices and such, so that's going on right now. I believe it goes right up till school starts, and then hopefully they have the practice after school, because before school, it means I'm going to have to drop her off about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm not a happy person at 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll see. Hopefully she'll get that information so we know what's going on. But, all right, let's get the day started. Everyone, it's now 8:30, and little Miss Jessica is still asleep. So I think it's time we get her up. Let's go down in bed and wake her up. Good morning, sunshine. Time to get up. Come on, it's 8:30. Oh, you gotta wake up. I see you under there. Wake up. Wake up. Wakey, wakey. Alright, 8:30, it's time to get up. Rise and shine, sleepyhead. She's not going to be happy with me. But, part of being a dad, when are they ever happy with me? You were such a good boy this morning. Good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Hey everyone, just getting ready right now to go over to Ashleigh's performance from summer camp. She goes to a drama camp 2 weeks during the summer, and then they have a performance on the last Friday. I think it's Grease, Sound of Music, I think, and one other show that they're going to do songs and dance from. So just waiting for Lee to come home. She is tutoring. Like I said, waiting for her to come home. Right now it's about 10:30, so she should be home in about a half an hour, 45 minutes. All right, it is 11:15. Lee just got home. We are heading to Woonsocket to Ashleigh's thing, and take you with me. All right, we are in Woonsocket. Heading over to Ashleigh's performance now, over at the Stadium Theater. Lee went over to meet her mom and dad, and I'll be over there in 2 seconds, so I'll get with you when I get there.
Thank you. get all that sand. So every day it's in.
Yeah. They're just walking out with the pizza, so they must have just finished. Alright. They used to come here. What, they play movies and stuff here? Like,
Yeah. I'm sorry, I didn't realize. I was just putting. Okay.
just getting ready to go in.
Stand at the fall and join the fray. You will listen. I'm not gonna beg you. I'll shake you so hard I'll make you. Together, everyone. Yeah. The party's on. Now everybody make some noise. Come on, scream and shout.
How's your onion?
What onion?
They can smell it through the lens.
Something that we're gonna try, Ash?
Onion salt on the popcorn.
Yeah, I wonder.
That might be good. How's your salad, sweetheart? Like the honey mustard? Right, Gator's in Slatersville. Gonna eat lunch and then heading home. So I got the plain cakes and chowder. Ashley got pulled pork something. Ashley got beef something. And Jess got fettuccine. Mommy got beef.
Garlic.
Beef something. And Jess got fettuccine something.
That looks awesome.
So we're at Gator's Pub. What's that called, Ash?
Meaning. Pulled pork quesadilla.
No, you don't want people to see you eat?
Nope. He's videotaping.
That looks good. What's that?
It's a garlic French dip.
That looks good. What do you have?
Fettuccine Alfredo with grilled chicken.
French fries. Lemonade. Let's see if this camera's waterproof. All right, I got mine. It is clam cakes and chowder. Looks good.
Everybody enjoy, okay?
Thank you. That looks real good.
Can I get you each drink?
Tasty.
Yeah.
Tasty. Tasty.
Alright.
Tasty. Hey, we're actually getting a thunderstorm right now. It was raining a minute ago. Still a little damp, but the sky looks really weird right now. Like an orange tinge. We could go over here. There's blue sky over there. Yeah, rumbles of thunder, and the wind's actually picking up right now too. So I have a feeling we're gonna have a storm real soon. This one came in pretty quick. Lee and I were watching TV, and all of a sudden we looked out and we're like, it's weird out there. And you can hear the rumbles of thunder. I think the thunder and lightning is going to be to our north. But it's windy as anything out right now. Well, not windy as anything. The wind's picking up, I should say. Don't exaggerate it there, Mark. But we're supposed to have storms like this all the way through till midnight tonight. Right now, just a summer shower. Once this goes through, probably just going to be, might get a rainbow after this one. Actually, let me go and I'll check the radar. Let's see what the radar. All right, this is the latest radar. This is from 8 o'clock. And as you can see, we're right at that pinpoint. So we got a line of severe storms coming through. The sky, like I said, the sky is such a strange color, but it looks like the sky is clear. I think the storms might actually be to the south of us. So this is off a little bit, so I don't know, we'll see. changed much. Just put the drone up in the air. Got some lightning storms from around the area. We got 2 more storms coming in. So we haven't had storms in a while. They seem to die out before they get to us. So we'll see whether we're going to get it. But hopefully, if I get it, I'll just saw it over my head. So we got a storm coming in. See what it's like. Oh, some good storm. Though it looks like it's probably going to go to our south. Gonna miss us. So we gotta go get the girls in a couple minutes. So hopefully the timing is not the way that I think that it's going to be. That could be interesting. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go back in. I'm working on putting this vlog together. Sorry there wasn't a vlog yesterday. I just didn't. It was so busy of a day. I didn't have a chance to put anything together, so wasn't able to do it. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna go get the girls in a couple minutes, so I'll go with Lee so she doesn't have to go by herself. Alright, we're getting over to the library, pick up the girls. You can see the lightning above my head. Storm's gonna go to the south of us. We're not gonna get it, but good light show going on. Hey everyone, that's going to be it for tonight. We had a full day today. Started off with Ashleigh's performance this morning at the Stadium Theater in Woonsocket. Went through it. We had a great lunch at Gator's Pub in Slatersville, Rhode Island. You ever get a chance, go there. They even have volleyball on Monday nights. So it's a great place to eat lunch. Or supper, or go and get a beer. Great place. And then we had some wild weather. Unfortunately, we barely even got a drop of rain from all the thunder and lightning today. Everything went around us. But I got some good shots from the drone, a few good lightning bolts, and gonna end it right here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. A little bit of a long one, but we had a lot today. We did a heck of a lot today. So thanks again for watching, and I will get with you guys again tomorrow. Hoping to do a 2,000 mile review on my Tacoma tomorrow. So hopefully I have the time to be able to put that together. I'd like to put a nice video together. So I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks again. Like I always say, you can follow me on Facebook. You can subscribe to my Twitter feed. And go to my website, which is markplant.com, or subscribe below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Grass, hit a rock. Bent my blade. So now I got to get a new blade. I don't know how much this is going to cost. So that's it for cutting the grass tonight. So, all right, I guess I'll just get the weed whacker out and trim the weeds for the rest.